In order to help our students internalize science and engineering understanding in a meaningful way, the opportunities we provide as teachers will be vital when influencing this learning. Through student real-time and hands-on experience, teacher collaboration with parents and guardians, other professionals, and whole class collaboration, and finally student notebooks for recording and reflection will all create meaningful opportunities that help our students learn, understand, explore, and hold on to science and engineering concepts. Student experience will lead to the greatest form of understanding because their learning is happening while they are required to apply it. Teacher encouragement for students to go out and explore our world around us will not only lead to additional background knowledge in students, but it will lead to more skilled problem solvers and constructive thinkers. Here's a video of a boat I coached for a rowing team this past Tuesday. All these girls row. I call out instructional technique corrections, and they are responsible to make the corrections. If we were on land and I gave them a worksheet of instructions on how to row, they would not nearly be as talented rowers as they are because of the actual practice they participate in. Now the question emerges. If our students attend practice for sports and participate in those sports to make progress, why do so many of our students learn without actually involving themselves in the material? Therefore, to fully engage our students, we can incorporate outdoor learning experiences and encourage investigative activity to fully indulge our students in the material for a better and more progressive learning experience. Collaborate. Collaboration with parents and guardians, other professionals, and whole class collaboration is important for a teacher's professional development as well as supplying each student with the well-rounded curriculum. To ensure a well-rounded curriculum at home and at school, a teacher can openly communicate and touch base with parents to ease any concerns they have as well as work cooperatively to create the best learning environment for their child. As a teacher, much of your work is working solely with your students. If you can collaborate with other professionals about programs, ideas, lessons, etc., your own career can improve, and with new ideas, your lessons and teaching environment for students' understanding will improve. Encouraging and designing classroom environments where students have to collaborate with each other will push their own learning even further. A teacher's ability to step back and let the students teach each other, learn from each other, and problem solve is difficult but well worth it. From this, students will not only enhance their content knowledge, but build on important life skills such as socialization and problem solving. Record. Finally, we have recording. Having students take notes on their investigations and reflect on those experiences will reiterate the content knowledge and give them a skill to improve on in the future. This method provides opportunities for students to never get complacent and keep working toward a new goal. When students take notes, draw diagrams, and make charts, they create a method of organization for their learning experience. This will help students to remember their experiences and make the content meaningful to them. After investigation and note-taking, student reflection is vital for future improvement. Writing about what they wonder about, what they did well, and where they can improve on will target specific skills that a teacher can assess and work to improve them in the next lesson. Additionally, reflection allows students to be aware of their thoughts and actions in a descriptive way. Thank you so much for listening to ways in which we can help our students internalize science and engineering practices in a meaningful way.